Everyone in the world should know how to make a Negroni properly. Let me show you. First up, you're gonna need yourselves a mixing glass because unlike a lot of the other cocktails that you see me doing here, we're not shaking these today. You're gonna go ahead and need 3 things: Campari, a little bit of sweet vermouth, and gin, but you're definitely gonna need Campari. Measure equal parts of all 3 of these. We're gonna go 1 ounce all into our mixing glass. 1 ounce of Campari, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, the sexiest man alive's gin, Aviation. We're gonna go ahead and measure 1 ounce of this. Add some ice into our mixing glass and give it a nice little stir. Now, classic cocktails like a Negroni, just like an old fashioned, just like a Manhattan, they get stirred because they're meant to be more viscous, so they get a little bit less water dilution than when you shake an actual cocktail. Grab ourselves a large ice cube. We're gonna go ahead and slide that inside of our glass. Grab our strainer and strain our Negroni into our glass. Grab ourselves an orange and get ourselves a little peel for our garnish. Give this a little zest over the top. Peel out so those oils come out. Place that on top. There is an absolutely delicious fucking Negroni, one of my favorite classic cocktails ever. What do you want me to make next?